Today I'm reviewing ProDentim, a game changer in dental health. If you're like me and struggle with bad breath, sensitive gums, or yellowing teeth despite brushing and flossing regularly, it might be time to consider a different approach. I was skeptical at first, but ProDentim offers a natural solution designed to support oral health by boosting the beneficial bacteria in your mouth. ProDentim combines 3.5 billion probiotic strains and essential nutrients that target the root cause of dental issues. Ingredients like Lactobacillus Paracasei help reduce inflammation and support gum health, while Lactis BL-04 promotes a balanced oral microbiome. Lactobacillus Reuteri supports overall immune function and reduces gum sensitivity, making it easier to maintain a healthier smile. Within a few weeks of using ProDentim, I noticed fresher breath and healthier gums. It's simple to take, just 1 tablet a day that melts in your mouth, delivering these powerful ingredients directly where they're needed most. What's great is that it not only supports your dental health, but also benefits your digestion and overall immunity. If you're tired of traditional dental products that don't work, ProDentim might be the natural solution you need. And with their money-back guarantee, there's no risk in giving it a try. Click the link in the description to get the genuine product and see if it works for you, just like it did for me. If you're ready for a brighter, healthier smile, I highly recommend trying ProDentim.